Hi students, today we are going to discuss a very important concept in organic chemistry. One of the important named reaction, that is Cannizzaro reaction. And who are watching this Cannizzaro reaction, this is my suggestion. Please, before watching this, you watch aldol condensation, cross aldol condensation, and benzoin condensation, and this Cannizzaro. These four reactions are interlinked. So if you spare some time, aldol, cross aldol, benzoin, Cannizzaro, and simultaneously you will get clarity where we need alpha hydrogen, where no need, like that. So one particular method we need to learn the organic reactions, then only easy. As number of students asked me to prepare a Cannizzaro reaction video, and they are getting lot of confusion means, and here I am going to explain very simple trick to remember Cannizzaro without mechanism, and like the conditions. Cannizzaro reaction will give by aldehydes. So aldehydes undergo Cannizzaro reaction, no other compound. But aldehydes do not have alpha hydrogen. So it should not have alpha hydrogen. Undergo Cannizzaro reaction. How aldol condensation self and crossed is there, similar manner Cannizzaro, self Cannizzaro, crossed Cannizzaro we have. Here we are going to discuss about self Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction is a redox reaction where oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. That's why this reaction we are calling disproportionation reaction also. In redox reaction you learn already about redox or disproportionation. Disproportionation means where oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. This also you have to remember for competitive purpose. What we have to do here? We have to heat the compound in the presence of concentric alkali such as concentrated NaOH, concentrated KOH. These act as nucleophile. So here concentric alkali act as a nucleophile. Nucleophilic attack is there. Then go for what happened here. Aldehyde which doesn't have alpha hydrogen undergo oxidation simultaneously reduction. When aldehyde subjected to oxidation, we learned already in alcohol lesson, it will give salt of carboxylic acid. Remember, when it undergo oxidation, it will give salt of carboxylic acid, and when it undergo reduction, it will give alcohol. So salt of carboxylic acid is oxidation product and alcohol is reduction product. That also you have to remember for competitive. When aldehydes undergo Cannizzaro reaction, the oxidation product is salt of carboxylic acid. Reductive product is alcohol. So oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. That's why we are calling disproportionation reaction and redox reaction also. Then go for here. Self Cannizzaro means two same molecule of aldehydes we have to take without alpha hydrogen. One will donate H minus, that is calling reducing agent, and this is oxidation process. This is very important. One will accept H minus means hydride ion, and that process, that reagent we are calling oxidizing agent, and that is reduction. See, reducing agent oxidation, oxidizing agent reduction, reverse you have to remember. So one molecule will don hydride ion, that is reducing agent, then process is oxidation. One will accept H minus, and that will oxidizing agent, that is reduction process. These are the things you have to remember. Now I am taking here Example, I am going to take benzaldehyde. You know benzaldehyde, and which is not having alpha hydrogen. This benzaldehyde 2 moles you have to take. It undergo Cannizzaro reaction in the presence of concentric NaOH or KOH also you can take and subjected to heat. Subjected to heat. What you are getting? One molecule undergo oxidation. Oxidation product is salt of carboxylic acid. Reduction is alcohol. So first reduction I am taking. So when aldehyde subjected to reduce, you know very well you are getting alcohol. You are getting alcohol. And when it is subjected to oxidize, it will give salt of carboxylic acid, COONA. Clear? K taking COOK. And this is we know benzaldehyde or benzenol. Benzenol we are calling benzaldehyde, and this we are calling as, see here, benzo group, this is benzenol. Benzenol, this is benzenol alcohol, and this is we are calling sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. What we are calling? Sodium benzoate. This is salt of carboxylic acid, and this is alcohol, that is 1 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol, this getting. So one molecule undergo oxidation, that is salt of carboxylic acid. One molecule undergo reduction, that is alcohol. But how we can remember? Mechanism no need. A simple trick I will show you. Look here. I am taking 2 molecules. Instead of benzene ring I am writing PH, means phenyl ring. Bond C, double bond O, and here we have H. This is benzaldehyde plus another benzaldehyde. PH means phenyl ring, bond C, double bond O, and H. Now 2 molecules or 2 moles of, and in the presence of now KOH or NaOH. Clear? Giving rise to. Now OH, that is nucleophile. Here I told already, it acts as nucleophile. OH will come for attacking. Now I am taking here OH, hydrogen bond, and here O. Clear? Here O. Clear? This is OH minus. Or you can take a different color with green, no problem. What happened? Look here. Very simple. What I told? One will don H minus. Look here. This or this, any, same. That's why this benzaldehyde donate one hydrogen in the form of H minus to this, and one hydrogen done by this OH group. I repeat, one hydrogen will done by this benzaldehyde, one hydrogen done by this OH group, means alkali group, to this benzaldehyde. Look here, this is more electronegative, minus, and this is plus. Now immediately this hydrogen will bond here. So now it is a reducing agent. I told you H minus donor is a reducing agent subjected to oxidize. A reducing agent always oxidize, means reduce and subjected to oxidize. It will reduce others and subjected to oxidation. Clear now? Now here vacancy is there now. Here vacancy. When this hydrogen came here vacancy, means this is minus and this is plus. Immediately this O minus bonded here. O minus will be bonded, and here O minus, this is plus, this is plus, and this will be bonded here. Completed reaction. Simple. This hydrogen here, and immediately here valency free. Then this oxygen bonded here. When this oxygen moved out, H plus, and here minus is there, this will be bonded here. Completed. Simple. First I will write this. Phenyl bond C, this is OH, this is OH, and here VH is there already. One hydrogen we got, CH2. What we got? Alcohol. This is benzenol. What we are calling? Benzenol. Benzenol we got. That is alcohol, benzenol. And another product we have to get now. Look here, another product. This is PH bond C, and this carbon have already double bond. This hydrogen donated, and this is O. This is O minus. This is, we have phenyl benzoate, phenyl benzoate ion. And here if we took NaOH, KOH, OH already participated in the bond. If NaOH took, that will come here and attach as plus. Clear? Then sodium benzoate. What is we are calling? Sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. Simple. One hydride shifted to another benzaldehyde. Immediately valency free. This O will bonded here, and then this hydrogen H plus, and it will attack here. Means this will be give electron to this H plus. Simple. We got benzenol and sodium benzoate. One is primary alcohol and one is salt of carboxylic acid. How much easy? Very easy. And you can take cross aldol also. I will explain one more example here. One more example. You go for formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. And this is, and another formaldehyde. Another formaldehyde. Undergo reaction. Undergo reaction. Clear? What you are getting here? Same method. You take here OH. This is minus. What we did? This hydrogen will go to here, and this is minus shifting to here. When here valency is free, this will attack here, and this will be plus. This will be plus, and here vacancy is there. Here vacancy. This is shifted now. So this hydrogen will bond here. This hydrogen will bond. Clear? So one hydrogen given by OH group, one hydrogen given by formaldehyde. Like this only we did now here. So this O will get here minus, and this will be getting here. Finish. What you are getting? CH2, one hydrogen added, one hydrogen added. Then what you are getting? CH3OH, CH3OH, primary alcohol plus, and here we got formate ion. This hydrogen gone. This hydrogen gone here. So H, C double bond O, O minus. This O you are getting. If sodium attacked, then you are getting Na plus, sodium formate. This is methanol, methanol, and this is sodium formate, sodium formate. Very simple, very simple. So 2 hydrogens are there, 3 hydrogens, this will attack here, OH you are getting. Similarly, cross kinase also you can do. Take benzaldehyde, add formaldehyde. You have to do this in the presence of OH minus. This is cross kinase. Same is there. Any one can oxidize, other one reduce. Different are there. For example, formaldehyde I took here, benzaldehyde I took. Benzaldehyde, formaldehyde, between formaldehyde undergo oxidation and benzaldehyde undergo reduction. Remember, when benzaldehyde, formaldehyde cross kinase, formaldehyde undergo oxidation and benzaldehyde undergo reduction. Then respective products you are getting. Write your own and try it. This is very simple method without any mechanism. Without any mechanism. If you like this concept, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And one more time I am suggesting you, before watching this video, please watch aldol condensation, cross aldol condensation and benzoin condensation. And then you go for this. These 4 concepts are linked. And one more. Very important for competitives. Very important thing. What we discussed here? Aldehydes which doesn't have alpha hydrogen undergo kinase reaction. Am I right? Kinase reaction. Then you are getting oxidative product and reductive product. Now I am showing one compound to you. See here. This is we are calling benzophenone. What we are calling? Benzophenone. Giving rise to, if given reaction like this is concentrated and heated. Generally you are looking, this doesn't have alpha hydrogen. Immediately it will undergo kinase reaction, one oxidative product, one reductive product, you are thinking, but that is wrong. What is the key point you have to remember in kinase means, no need alpha hydrogen. No need alpha hydrogen. And another very important you have to remember, C double bond O group, that is carbonyl group. Carbonyl group must attached with hydrogen. Must attached with hydrogen. Look here, carbonyl group doesn't have hydrogen. Here we have carbonyl group, hydrogen is there. That's why it will undergo kinase. Alpha hydrogen, one reason. The second important reason, carbonyl group should or must attach with one hydrogen at least. Here carbonyl group doesn't have hydrogen. Here also we don't have. That's why it will not undergo kinase reaction. This is very important, you have to remember. So no need alpha hydrogen, but carbonyl group attached with at least one hydrogen. Then only kinase reaction will undergo. This is very important, and here benzophenone will not undergo any kinase reaction. This is very important for NEET and JEE. Clear? This is the thing you have to remember. So one more suggestion I am giving to you, and please watch the videos till to the end. Then only it will be useful to you. Somewhere in between, in the end, like this tricks we are explaining. If trick you are missing, that lost to you. That's why if you are sparing 120 minutes or 15 minutes, and that will give lot of knowledge, so then easy. So watch the videos till to the end, then clarity will get. And if you are watching this aldol condensation, cross aldol condensation, benzoin condensation and Cannizzaro, these four please watch. I am suggesting you, if you are watching this, then it will be give the difference between each other. Then you are getting problem in concept, then you can do any question based on aldol condensation or Cannizzaro or whatever it may be. So thank you.